So
You're
saying
not,
it.
you're not in the, you got to move over. Yeah. Okay, so you're saying it.
Are you saying it or am I saying it?
You said.
No, you say
You said God face.
you know all of the emotions I'm putting in the bloopers, right?
Okay, no, you say it because then I'm
Okay.
Wait, say it, come on. Okay. See, this is not me. This is
Okay. Yeah. Just hi guys, right?
Maury, that's what you say to people.
Are you sure? Okay.
This girl, I can't deal.
Okay.
It's praying. Come
Okay.
on.
Hi guys.
Can you do it properly? Because this is all
Okay.
video.
Hi guys.
So gay. You've got to be a bit more exclusive. You're never going to be a famous YouTuber if you go, hi guys. You'll be a bit more enthusiastic. Like, hi guys.
No, you can say it then.
So you've got to stay challenge then?
I'll just be like, today we're doing 100 chicken nugget challenge.
You wasted all your stories.
You say hi guys, I'll say today we're doing chicken. What? 100 chicken nugget
Can you be a
challenge.
bit more enthusiastic?
Hi guys.
So you're saying it?
Yeah, I just said it.
Oh god.
Okay. Hi guys.
I think I look really ugly on this. I'm
Hi
not
guys.
liking it.
Can you listen? Okay.
I look ugly on this. I don't like it.
No, you don't. Okay. Hi guys.
Okay, right, seriously, that's good. Right, let me just compose myself.
Okay. Hi guys.
You're so wet.
That's what I say.
You're so boring. They're like,
But I don't say hi guys. I just be like,
But
hi peoples. You
okay,
don't
do that then. Be like that. Be a bit more like. Do you know what I mean?
Hi,
do what you would
peoples.
do and just be like. Be more enthusiastic.
See, if it was you, I'd be like, hi stop toe. No, I'd be like,
we're not talking
okay.
stop-toes.
hi peoples.
Oh my god.
I can't because I don't ever say hi guys. I just say hi.
Don't then. Just say what you would say.
Hi.
Well, you just
I can't
introduce
just say
it. You
hi.
go, do it.
Okay.
Hi guys.
Hurry, okay,
Yeah,
can
you're
I
right.
delete?
Yeah, you
no,
can
we
do
need
delete
to
it. Delete it.
Do we not want bloopers? Or can we use bloopers in this?
Yeah.
Okay.
We're not gonna. You're gonna.